Our first strategy is freelancing. If you have a skill or talent that can be offered as a service, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can become a freelancer. There are many platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can create a profile and start offering your services to clients worldwide. Next up is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and promote products through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts. Another great way to make money online is by creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. This can be a great source of passive income, as you create the course once and continue to earn money from it over time. E-commerce is another popular option for making money online. You can start your own online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy, and sell physical or digital products. To succeed in e-commerce, it's essential to choose the right niche, create high-quality product listings, and promote your store effectively. Last but not least, you can make money online by starting a YouTube channel. By creating engaging and valuable content, you can attract subscribers and generate revenue through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. To grow your channel, focus on consistency, quality, and audience engagement. So there you have it, 5 proven strategies for making money online. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, and it takes dedication, hard work, and persistence.